So yeah, that's everything from Sephora. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a very exciting haul and swatches for you guys. Lahat ng to I got from Sephora.ph. So yes, meron ng Sephora website sa Pilipinas. They will ship it to your doorstep. You will not worry about tax, custom tax, or whatever. Yung pinaka-the best dito is walang tax. Yun lang talaga eh. Yung tax talaga eh. Tapos meron pang free shipping if your order reach 1,300 pesos. And alam naman natin, hindi naman ganun kamura yung mga binibenta ng Sephora, diba? So maybe one item will cost that much and it's gonna be like free shipping na agad-agad kasi nga, diba, 1-3 free shipping ka na. I have some of the products on my face right now and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I'm just gonna dig in. I'm gonna start with the Sephora brand. The very first one is this Sephora Smoothing and Brightening Concealer. The applicator looks like that. Yun yung applicator na kailangan mong i-twist to get the product out. So let's twist it and see. I cannot wait to use this under my eyes because it's a brightening concealer. Oh, there you go. Oh, wait, napadami. Shoot. Sayang naman yan. That's the shade right there. Oh my gosh, this swatch really smoothly. Gusto ko yung undertone niya kasi hindi pinkish. Alam niyo naman ako, I'm all about the yellow undertone kasi look at my skin, diba? Sayang! Nasasayangan ako dito. Anyway, anong gagawin ko dito? Okay lang yan, ika-cover ko na lang siya. By the way, my shade is 08 Medium. I'm pretty sure this is a great match sa skin tone ko. I will be using this and update you guys on my vlogs, how I like it, and ish like that. And the next one is what I have on my lips right now. This is again from the Sephora brand. This is their Rouge Infusion Lip Tint. Na-apply ko siya siguro mga 2 minutes ago lang. And I think nag-set na siya. Let's test. Yep, nag-set na siya. Hindi na siya nag-transfer. I have mine in the shade 02 Rosewood. A very subtle nudie pink shade siya. First impression, I really like it. Very lightweight. Next Sephora item is this Microsmooth Baked Face Compact. I have mine in the shade medium. By the way, do you guys like my lighting? Let me know if you like it. It just looks like that. It's a baked powder. Ooh, that is really smooth. And also looks like it's a great match sa akin. So that's perfect. Yeah, I can't wait to use that. Not that I'm in need of powder, but hey. Next Sephora item is this brow thickener. This is really intriguing. You guys, I am planning to do a first impression review on this because this is really interesting. I'm gonna, oops, see? Mali. Wale. Ito pala yung lid niya. I have mine in the shade blonde. By the way, I'm pretty sure yung shade na gusto ko out of stock. So I went for the blonde. Pero parang okay lang din naman siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Parang powdery siya na I honestly do not know how to use this yet. I need to check the website. I'm gonna show you guys kasi marami siyang mga powder churva dito. Can you guys see that? Yes, you can see that. Meron siyang mga powder churva. It says here, intensifies structures and volumizes brows, gives a natural long-lasting result. I already have an eyebrow product on my brows right now. If you guys watch my vlogs, alam nyo na yung eyebrows ko is very thin, tapos parang wala lang siya. That's why I always have eyebrow product on my brows. So this is really interesting. I'm gonna try it out. Let me know if you guys want me to do a first impression review on this. And then the next one in here is this palette right here. It is the Sephora It palette and I'm so excited. Why do I always say I'm excited though? Na-open ko na to kahapon because I received this yesterday and I really like the packaging. Para lang siyang wallet. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for traveling kasi meron siyang parang cushion. I don't know if you can see. See, para lang siyang wallet na feeling mo magiging safe talaga yung eyeshadows mo because of that. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, why are you so pretty? The shades looks like that. Meron siyang double-ended brush. I was so happy when I saw this brush because this is the kind of brush that I like using on my brows. If you're having a hard time looking for eyebrow brushes and then you feel like other eyebrow brushes doesn't really work, try this kind of brushes Parang a little wide, tapos flat like that. And then the other end of the brush is like a tapered blending brush. Yeah, maybe. This also came in the palette. This is eye pencil. This is in the shade brown. That is really pigmented. And also, you guys, as you can see, meron siyang malaking mirror, which is always a plus. Let me know if you want me to do a makeup look. It's been a long time since I did one. Well, I just did my everyday makeup look, but that doesn't really count because I didn't really put an eyeshadow. So let me know if you want me to do a makeup look featuring this palette right here. And then last thing from the Sephora brand, I got the Wrinkle-fighting Super Serum. This is for your face and your eyes. I'm not getting any younger, you guys know that. I'm 25 and I feel like I need to start applying like anti-wrinkles, anti-aging, skincare stuff on my face just to, you know, para paghandaan ang katandaan. Paghandaan ang katandaan. Sobrang bongga naman yung laman niya, parang pinkish na peachy. I like what they have in here. Repairs yesterday, perfects today, and prevents tomorrow equals beauty. Okay, this next one, I got it because gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-display. It is the Too Faced Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush. Gusto ko sanang kunin yung baby pink, yung hindi ko alam kung anong shade niya. But gusto ko yun kasi mas bet ko yung packaging nun. Parang baby pink, parang super girly, pero out of stock na yun. So, I went for this one. This is in the shade Something About Berry. It looks like this. I have it on my cheeks right now, as in very lightly lang, kasi parang na-shock ako nung unang pagganon ko. Wow, very pigmented. So, parang inayos ko siya. So, yeah. I actually really like those blushes na merong highlight na ganap sa kanya, just like this. And I also like na meron siyang tatlong shades. Though the blush that I have on right now, parang sinwirl ko lang yung brush all over, tapos parang combination siya ng tatlong shades. And you guys, this is my very first Too Faced product, as in very first. Alam niyo naman ako, kuripot mode ako lagi. Yeah, and I'm so happy. Like, I'm just so happy. Okay, this next one, I just cannot not order this. Like, I need to get that. This is the Jacklyn Hill highlighter in Champagne Pop. You guys, I can't believe I have this with me right now. When I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, that's heaven on freaking earth. It just looks really freaking pretty. Look at that though. I don't have it with me right now because I want to apply it on camera. So let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, I'm not really a big highlighter person, so I don't really apply highlighter on a daily basis, so I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. But I'm gonna use this fan brush and I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, this is just so, I'm gonna apply it on here. Oh my gosh, parang ginanon ko lang yung brush, ha. Oh, you guys. Wala na. Oh my gosh. Can you see this highlight action right here? I'm gonna apply this on the bridge of my nose as well. Now I know why this is so famous. Look how highlighted my face is right now. Sobrang konti lang yung kinuha ko. Parang tinap ko lang talaga yung brush. Tapos nilagay ko sa... What the heck? And then there's two more products in here. I have here the Revitalash. This is the limited edition one. Yung sa breast cancer na edition. Gustong-gusto ko yung packaging niya. Very girly. Sabi dito, daily use provides immediate conditioning benefits leading to healthier looking, more luxurious lashes. Alam nyo naman, ang daming beses ko na na-mention to sa videos ko na I have short lashes tapos stubborn pa. I'm gonna start using this tonight if I remember. And I'm going to update you guys on my vlogs, of course. Sana maalala ko daw. I know I always say I'm so excited, but this, legit, I'm excited to try this, and I am 100% doing a first impression review on this one. I'm pretty sure I saw someone on YouTube review this already, but I forgot. Siguro si Tati. I'm not sure though. This is an automatic foundation applicator. Pro Edition. So, sabi dito, all-in-one sonic applicator for 8-hour superior coverage. Sabi dito, easy and universal, 8-hour superior coverage. Ang dami nilang claims na, like, I'm just so excited to do a review. And this is what it looks like right here. So, I'm pretty sure meron na siyang naka-attach na sponge kasi sabi dito, meron siyang dalawang sponge na included. So, this is one, and then I'm pretty sure one is attached. So, yeah, that's everything from Sephora.ph. I will leave all the links below. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. It's the red subscribe button below. You will be notified of my videos daily if you subscribe, so please do click it. And I hope to see see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye! It is the Too Faced... ano nga ulit yun? Ano ba yan? Fail. Parang sinwirl ko lang yung ito na naman tayo sa nakakasira ng nail polish. Ay nako, tatagal tayo dito eh.